What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the content and all that good stuff. Get straight into this. Again, we've got a New Balance. I don't know why I love using that simple New Balance box. I'm not going to really introduce it because people might complain. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So on the box it says U9060EEG, size 10.5 UK, Europe 45, USA 11. So I really like this colorway. Bam! It's like a taupe beige light brown colorway, which just looks so good, man. I'm just so happy with this colorway, honestly, man. New Balance, you're just taking all my money at this rate, man. You're literally taking all my money. Wow. So on the bottom we've got standard 9060 sole. It's got grey, brown, and then it's got beige. I really like the tones of all the browns, beige, etc. The grey as well. And then when it gets to the midsole, we've got a bit of like greyish going on along the bottom. Then above it we've got some beige, got more beige above. Then we've got like another shade of kind of like a beige type brown. Then we've got like a light beige, a lot of beige, brown, you know, the tones that we really like. They complement each other really well. On the back we've got this plastic, I call it a spoiler, to be honest. If you're into cars you'll get the reference. It's just a chunk of plastic, to be honest. Then we've got that lovely, what New Balance is known for, that butter suede in that brown taupe type of colorway. So that's gone along most of the upper. We do have bits of mesh in brown, contrasting nicely with the suede. Then we've got a bit more of that mesh there, mesh again, mesh again, mesh again, mesh again. Then we do have bits of grey, which I really like. I think it breaks the colours, but it makes them look like it brings them together, if that makes sense. So we've got a grey underneath. That is kind of like that's also like a suede, but a bit different. On the actual toe box, just above it, does have the New Balance N stitched in, which New Balance love doing. Laces, it's standard laces, which I actually like really well on this. I think if there was the oval laces, it wouldn't really go so well. So I'm happy with this. Then we've got a bit of grey on the tongue, and then on the main bit we've got that plastic 9060 in like a kind of off-white, the black writing, and we've got beige again, or taupe, whatever you want to call it. On the inside, as always, it's not a full proper logo like the outside. The outside's always got a proper solid, like a plasticky type logo. On the inside it's more so just lines which are stitched to resemble the N. I like it, man. I like it. It's different, but it works. Then also we've got the Absorb on there. Overall, I love this shoe. I got a tracksuit that it goes so well with. It looks amazing. Honestly, New Balance, man, just you need to start sending me some pairs, man. I really love these shoes. They're so comfortable and they work so well. It's literally a New Balance takeover at the moment. Especially these 9060s, which are just absolutely beautiful, man. If I was to rate them, 10 out of 10 all around. But yeah, that's literally all I've got to say about these. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. There will be an on-foot video following this in just a few moments. Check that out. I'll also post it separately. And yeah, support the channel. Stay logged for all the future content. Join the socials, Discord, etc. I'm not going to waffle no more. Take care, my people.